Want to launch your web app on AWS in the easiest way? In this video, I'll show you how to get it up and running on EC2 in under 10 minutes. Hi, this is Ashutosh Sharma, full stack web developer, part-time YouTuber. To start with the task, we need an AWS account in which we will be creating our EC2 instance. Then we need any complete project. I am here using my portfolio. I used GitHub to deploy the code on internet. So we will be using GitHub to directly import code in our terminal. In AWS, go to the AWS console where you will find all the services. Now we are going to create our EC2 instance. Here on top you can find the search bar which you can use for locating any services. Now let's just open the EC2 panel. In this section you will find a launch instance button. Click on that. Okay, so after opening the launch instance, we will find the instance menu where let me define the name as my EC2. After that, you need to select an operating system. I am selecting Ubuntu for right now. After that, instance type. In free tier, we get very limited instances, but you need to take care that you do not opt for any instance that is very costly. Otherwise, it will result in a bill that is unexpected. So now let's create the key. Before creating the key, we need to check if the location is correct for downloads. So I'll change the location to C drive. Why C drive? Because of the permissions issue of opening the SSH key. As far I've changed to C drive. Now I can directly create and download the key. I am using RSA type and .pem format. Let's name it Vite pair. Create key pair. Successfully downloaded the file. Now we will set the SSH anywhere which is by default, and we don't need to change anything else. In the bottom right you will find launch instance. After clicking that, we will be successfully creating the EC2 instance. It takes about 30 seconds to churn up your system, so be patient and let's wait until it's created. Okay, so it started running. Now we will go to the connect feature button where you can find the various methods to connect. We are using SSH client. Here in SSH, in the bottom right you will find the example for which you will have to copy paste in your terminal. I am using git bash because it is very suitable for Ubuntu. Sudo apt update. It will update the Ubuntu, which is the first command every Ubuntu user does. Okay, so Ubuntu is downloaded. Let's Type in the next command, sudo apt install git. Okay, yes. So this is a command I copy pasted from Google for downloading Node. I forgot to put that in the video. I will add this command in description of the video. Okay, Node.js is yet not installed. I will have to use sudo apt install -y node.js. Yes, -y is for making sure you say yes to all the questions. Let's check the version of our node-v. Okay, it is correct. Now open GitHub, go to code button where you will find https, copy the link, type in git clone in your terminal and paste the link. After that, it will start copying the repository. Type in npm install. Okay, npm install is not working. It might be because I am not in the correct folder. Type ls. Okay, so there are three: package log.json, portfolio. I have to go inside portfolio, cd portfolio. Now yes, I am in the correct folder. Type in npm install. Good. So after that, it is installing the packages required for node. Okay, installed. Now let's type npm run dev. It will run the server for us. One more thing, we have to change the inbound rule for our instance. So we open the security group. After opening that, click on edit inbound rules. Now we have to add the rule for our own port in custom TCP. Add 3000 port number anywhere to allow the source from anywhere. Save rules. So it will now add two inbound rules. Now let's check if the server is working. Okay, so type in npm run dev. Okay, let's go to the IP colon 3000. Okay, so it is working fine. As you can see, let me verify the IP to you. You can find connect option where you can find the public IP. That's it for today. You have successfully connected your EC2 and deployed your project using GitHub on it. See you in another video.